Hey guys, I'm Dav, back with another Affinity Photo tutorial. Today I will show you a setup trick, how you can set your Affinity Photo artboard for YouTube Shorts. Now YouTube Shorts are trending these days. You need special 9:16 vertical ratio frame to set your artboard for YouTube Shorts from PC. Now open your Affinity Photo. After that, open your any screen recorder. These steps are common for any type of screen recorder you are using. Go to screen recorder settings. There should be an option called custom frame or frame size or anything like this. Now for YouTube Shorts, frame size are width 720, height 1080, which is also 9:16 ratio mobile view for PC. Now this is the actual frame size for YouTube Shorts from PC, and your Affinity Photo artboard should be framed in same size. Let's start to resize Affinity Photo for YouTube Shorts. Minimize it and now adjust reposition by dragging edges and fit it according to screen recorder frame. For YouTube Shorts, we need more space in our artboard. Remove or uncheck those panels which are less important during YouTube Shorts video. Don't worry, you can reset this artboard later with back its original look. Above top, go to View, Studio and uncheck one by one. Remember, just keep Layers panel active and checked. Now I am unchecking few things, and here I am fast forwarding this video to save video time. After your right side studio become nice and clean, and keep only layer panel active. Drag this layer panel below or anywhere you like to see. This will give your Affinity Photo more space and clean look just for YouTube Shorts. Now for left side toolbar, go to View, uncheck Dock Tool. This will give your toolbar free to move anywhere during Shorts video. So I just keep layer panels and toolbar. Now start your screen recording and start your work for YouTube Shorts. I removed background of this image and recording done in 9:16 frame. However, entire this video was edited on full screen HD size. But here is the portion you can see my 9:16 frame recording. I hope you get an idea and understand this setup. Now this is my YouTube short frame setup for Affinity Photo. I will definitely upload few shorts video in upcoming days. Alright, now when your short video work complete, now you need to go back to Affinity Photo original wide frame or default frame. Now top right middle, click and maximize the frame. Then go to View, Studio, below Reset Studio, click on it. Again View, check Dock Tool. And that's it, you are back in the original frame size or default size. How you like this work? Comment me down below this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Affinity series, then subscribe this Affinity Vibes YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo Effect tutorial. You can support me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other videos in channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will back with another video soon. Till then, keep practicing and have fun with Affinity Photo.